Hi, I'm Stefan. Please allow me to introduce the data product. This is a stock product to predict the price of the stock you choose you want to invest that. So you can only use this when you fork the repository from GitHub. That is for free. If you use a mobile version or a web version, that is charged. By default, we use Google as our ticker selection. We click predict, and we can get the results and the suggestion whether you can invest or not. But if you use others like ACC, you click predict. There are some warnings about that since I only train the Google model. If you want to use other model, you have to train yourself. You can click here to train yourself. That is a Google Colab, and all code is done for you to get your train. If you just want to look through the source code, you can click here. That is the source code. Okay. Thank you for your listening.